I'm Busker James. Today is January the 20th, 2010, and I just came from court. I went to appear for my son Jason, who is charged with 4 counts of an offense causing bodily harm. The main count is impaired driving causing bodily harm. I think I've touched on this subject on another video I've done before, but this, I have never seen anything so corrupt in all my life. Never. The justice system in this country is absolutely out to lunch. My son was charged with impaired driving causing bodily harm. He was never convicted of the charge, and I went to Crown Counsel here in Nanaimo, BC, Canada, where I expressed to them that I would defend Jason in court on these 4 charges. And what they have done now is they have changed what really should be a summary conviction to a, where are we here? They changed it from a summary conviction to a indictable offense. That's what they have done. They changed it from a summary conviction to an indictable offense. Summary conviction is really small potatoes compared to an indictable offense. And when it's changed to an indictable offense, the accused also loses convenience of appearing by counsel or agent as he or she is entitled when the charges are by way of summary conviction. When indicted and accused must appear personally in court, and they done this on purpose. Now, who gave them the right to change it from a summary conviction to an indictable offense? They're desperately trying to have my son put in jail, and they don't even have any evidence. And I know they don't have any evidence, but they're denying me the right to have a look at the evidence they have so that I can decide where I want to go next. This is absolutely stupid. This justice system sucks. And now what happens is my son did appear in court and wasn't, at that time, had not been charged. It was back in September of 2009. He went to the police station, told them he was moving out of province, and they were well aware of it, and that's when they changed it from a summary conviction to an indictable offense, because they want to nail him to the wall. And what they're trying to do is use his brother, his older brother, who they say was injured in a minor accident, which didn't involve another vehicle, just the one that was registered to my younger son. They tried to use his older brother as a witness for the RCMP to convict his younger brother of all these charges. These guys are a joke. I could not believe the way they spoke to me in court this morning. They all deserve to get fired, every one of them. I really cannot believe this. You know, I've seen corruption before, but this is at its highest level. And you know, I really have a bit of a fear, because you know, you speak out about people like this and what your opinion is on what they're doing, and they can make life very, very miserable for you. And so far I've been safe, but you know, I just want to put this onto video so that in the future, if anything goes wrong, it's all documented. These people are so corrupt. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Why they are trying so hard to put somebody in jail for something that they don't even have any evidence of. I know they don't have any evidence. I know it for a fact. And I don't want to give any details of what I know, because it looks like when you're charged with an indictable offense, you have to go before a judge and jury, according to what I'm reading on the web here. So hopefully, February the 17th is when they gave me another date, and my son has to appear on that day, or else they're going to put out a bench warrant for him. He lives in another province. That means if he doesn't show up, he must have a lawyer. They will not let me act on his behalf because it's an indictable offense. This sucks. You should have, I am very capable of going into court and defending my son, and Crown Counsel seems to disagree with that. What, are they scared of me? Why are they so scared? Last year I went on another matter into court and represent another guy. The Crown Counsel, and it was against the city of Nanaimo, or the city of Nanaimo versus this other fellow, and they wanted $3,000 in fines for this guy and 6 months in jail, had it reduced to $500 fine and a year suspended sentence. I am very capable of representing my son in court. These guys really need to give their head a shake. I cannot believe. I have a sign on the back of my truck that says "Free Nanaimo from Corruption." I think we need to free Canada from corruption, because it's there. I saw it today. So I may post another video on this after February the 17th, because it looks like they're going to try everything they can to have my son convicted with impaired driving causing bodily harm. They don't have a witness. I know they don't have a witness. The only witness they think they have is another one of my sons, who has made it very clear he will not cooperate with Crown Counsel to testify against his brother to put him into jail. They're looking at 6 months in jail. And why they changed this from a summary conviction to an indictable offense is beyond me. Who gave them that right to do that? Impaired driving, even if he was convicted, is still a summary conviction. As far as I'm concerned, these people are just full of themselves. And that's my opinion. And I'm Busker James.